Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to the lecturers Aminuddin Muhammad Noor, and I'm Kinazmi bin Muhammad Husni, and today my topic presentation is Islamic credit card, and what I want to highlight is Islamic versus conventional credit card. We proceed to the first one, which is Islamic credit card, Sharia compliance financial product, which are a part of Islamic banking. Islamic credit card offers perks and also and features that similar to the conventional credit card, such as cashback, rewards, air miles, and many more. Besides that, there are extra benefits to the Islamic credit card that are not available with a conventional credit card. Islamic credit card need to be Sharia compliant and free from any activities that are deemed as unlawful in Islam. The main differences between Islamic credit card and conventional credit card are the prohibition of gharar and also riba. Gharar is overcharging, while the riba is the interest. There are no compound charges as overcharging. It is also prohibited under Sharia law. Islamic credit card would have a filtering system to ensure that the credit card will only be utilized for halal transaction only. It is simply means that Islamic credit card cannot be used to purchase alcohol, gambling, or for other activities and purchases that are not permissible in Islam. For a Muslim, it is mandatory to use financial services that are Sharia compliant, while for non-Muslim, they should use Islamic credit card to receive the benefits such as the non-compounding charges. Interest charges for conventional card are compounded, meaning that your credit card debt keep growing if you don't pay it off in a full. When it's come to the credit card, the profit when it's come to the Islamic credit card, the profit charges on your credit card balance is non-compounding. Okay, we proceed to the basic modus operandi that based on the ujrah. The first step is the customer approach the bank for Islamic credit card facility. The second step is the bank provide a credit card account based on the customer credit worthiness. The third one is using the credit card account facility. The customer pays the merchants for the goods on a spot basis. The amount will be paid cordul from the customer. The fourth one is the customer settle the cordul. The customer will be charged a fixed fee by the bank. Okay, next we proceed to the Sharia concept used for Islamic credit card, which is Islamic credit card use a various Sharia concept. The Sharia concept are used for the Islamic credit card. In Malaysia, there are three concepts. The first one is a ta'with, second one is tawarruk, third one is ujrah. Let's proceed. Let's go through one by one. The first one is a ta'with, which is it is an agreement between the financier and also the recipient. The bank acting as the financier is to oblige and provide funding, and the recipient is obliged to make payment in return for the financing that the customer received. The second one is tawarruk, which is the concept provide a way of taking a loan while making sure the loan adheres to the Sharia principle. This is because under Islamic requirement, the tangible asset must be underlying in all transaction. A credit card under a tawarruk concept means the bank give the customer aid to make purchase, and in return the customer will pay the bank for the aid which was provided through the means of a credit card. Example of a credit card, example of Islamic credit card that used for this concept in Malaysia is Bank Islam Platinum Visa Credit Card I, and Gold and Classic Credit Card I. Islamic I stand for Islamic. Okay, we proceed to the last Sharia concept, which is ujrah. Ujrah is a generic terms in Arabic that translate to a fee. However, it is usually made specifically in relation to a fee charge in exchange for a service. The Sharia concept of ujrah used by the Islamic bank refers to a payment of a service fee in exchange for the service rendered to customer, and most of the Islamic card in Malaysia are based on this concept. Okay, the Islamic credit card holder is charged a fee from the services, benefit and privileges provided by Islamic bank instead of being charged interest. Cash advances are also available under the ujrah concept, which assists some of the Islamic bank offering it along with the service of an Islamic credit card. Islamic credit card which use this concept are the Maybank and CIMB Islamic Mastercard. Okay, we proceed to the benefit. What are the benefits of Islamic credit card? Islamic credit card also provide the same features as a conventional credit card. This means that you can enjoy the same perks and of conventional credit card on a top of extra benefit of Islamic credit card. There are several benefits, which is the first one is Sharia compliant for Muslim. It is Islamic credit card is assurance that the financial product is the Sharia compliant and adheres to Islamic teaching. Islamic banking adheres to Sharia, which is the Islamic religious laws is defined in the Quran, Hadith, and Sunnah. The difference between the Sharia, the conventional one, and Islamic banking is that no money is actually loaned to the client, as the bank will buy the item for client and sell it back to them after a markup price. Okay, we proceed to the second benefit, which is takaful coverage. Most of the Islamic credit card also offer takaful coverage for the card holder. Takaful is a type of Islamic insurance where members contribute money towards a pooling system that will be used in the event of losses or damage. The takaful is a Sharia compliant insurance option grounded in the Islamic Muamalat product. The takaful industry in Malaysia is also regulated through the Islamic Financial Services 2013 Act. Takaful coverage is available for anyone, and one do not have to be Muslim to take on takaful coverage. This means the card holder will be protected in the event of an unfortunate circumstances such as a total permanent disability or death. Okay, the third one, which is a convenient of a zakat payment. Zakat is the third pillar of Islam, and it is wajib or compulsory on a Muslim who meet all the condition. Technically, zakat means a fixed proportion collected from a specific type of wealth when they reach the specific term, which must be distributed to specific categories of people. Okay, for the Islamic and conventional, for the Islamic credit card, they have to pay zakat, and for conventional, no need to pay the zakat. For takaful coverage, Islamic, they provide the takaful coverage for Islamic credit card in the Islamic bank, and for conventional credit card, they no provide the takaful coverage, but conventional insurance is offered. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.